Traditional Iranian food is varied and international. Traditional Iranian food habits are inspired by the Mediterranean, ancient Greece, Rome, Asia, and their special dishes. Iran has introduced Indian spices into its diet and subsequently invented recipes with Iranian taste throughout history. On the other hand, Iranian spices such as mint, basil, and coriander, cumin, cloves, and of course saffron has been important flavors of different foods in Iranian history. In Sassanid cuisine and before that, fruits and seeds became an inseparable part of Persian food. These include walnuts, pistachio, pomegranates, and sesame seeds and different seeds. Through different periods, traditional Iranian food take on a special color and surface. The balanced combination of fruits, vegetable, poultry, meat, seeds, and their mixture with rose leaves and extracted is the original belief behind traditional Iranian food. Such a combination is known as an excellent diet that strengthens and heals body. During the Byzantine period, Iranians took a great model from the Greek medical sciences. Concepts such as cold and warmth have all been defined in the heart of medical knowledge for body balance and have greatly influenced traditional Iranian food and the way it is prepared. For example, cold pomegranate seeds are combined with warm walnuts in food so that Iranian stews take shape. Traditional food has had a high value and place in people's minds for centuries, and experiencing the desire for food in a traditional restaurant is an idea that comes lately. Category of Iranian food. In general, we can categorize traditional Iranian foods in this way: ash, broth, ashkana, barbecue or kebab, meatballs, dolma, cutlet, or schnitzel, kind of omelette known as kuku, food, rice and roasted meat or chicken, and stew. In the following, we will mention the most delicious Iranian foods. Make sure that you watch it. You can support us by your comments and likes. Click on subscribe button for watching more Persian foods videos.